A very good evening to you. Thank you for watching Prime Edition. My name is Betty Kiptum. This is the business news. Tea farmers in the west of the Rift Valley have been advised not to uproot the tea bushes due to poor returns. Deputy President Gachagua is calling for patience as plans are underway to institute sweeping reforms, including enforcing quality standards at KTDA-affiliated factories in the west of the Rift.
Many tea factories affiliated to the Kenya Tea Development Agency were rocked with riots last week as farmers protested poor earnings. Tea farmers in parts of west of the Rift Valley also uprooted their tea bushes after some factories paid farmers as low as 20 shillings per kg of green leaf. The government is urging tea farmers to stop uprooting their tea as reforms geared towards increasing tea quality will be enforced.
Tea Board of Kenya and other key agencies are working on administrative and operational reforms for maximum benefit of tea farmers.
Rigathi blamed the poor payout on the high cost of production that has eaten into earnings.
Farmers earn much less due to high cost production, low quality tea and financial management challenges, which require urgent action from the Kenya Tea Development Agency.
Speaking during the official opening of the Nairobi Agricultural Show, Rigathi says a number of agriculture subsectors are set for major reforms, including increasing acreage under sunflower from the current 60,000 acres to 63,000 acres next year.
To cut and aid importation of edible oils, we have supplied over 556 metric tons of sunflower seeds to farmers in 34 counties, with more investment in seed multiplication and coconut cultivation.
To cushion maize farmers from price fluctuation, NCPB is seeking buyers for bags of maize at its strategic reserves as it prepares to purchase the current crop from farmers.
The fertilizer subsidy program, Your Excellency, has driven a 43% increase in maize production, with food insecure Kenyans declining from 1.9 million to 1 million people in 2024.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.